Hi, boys and girls. We are missing you so much. Today, me and my assistant, we will make some experiment for you. For that, we need some dish soap for coloring hair.
Water bottles.
Yes. Food coloring.
Scissors.
And yeast. And warm water. Okay.
3 spoons.
We are taking the empty water bottles. In them, we are putting some. I took 40 volume hydrogen peroxide liquid. It's for hair coloring. Your moms know. Okay, we take half of the cup. Kristina, hold it.
This?
Yes.
I'm not your assistant. You're my assistant.
Okay. Okay. Now, the second one. More volume we have, more foam we will have.
You want to put the whole thing in them.
Okay.
I want one whole bottle here and one whole bottle
now
here.
We have 3, hold it, 3 spoons of dish liquid.
Do we not have enough?
Yes, we have enough. 3.
So why was
1,
it 2?
2.
Good, this experiment is not too messy.
Okay, Kristina, mix it.
I need
Now we are mixing it together.
Yeah, this is my favorite part. Which coloring should we add? I wonder. Got on me. This should work on me.
Okay. Okay.
I think I need it.
Now mix
Ready?
this one.
Ready? And this one has a lot of
Mix
glue.
it. We have food coloring. We have yellow, red, green, and blue.
Which one did you take?
I will take red one. It's my favorite. Kristina, which color you want?
I want blue this time.
Okay.
Because
We will put 10 drops of the food coloring. 1, 2,
3, 4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Okay.
We both stopped at the same time. That's good.
You're one team. Now you're mixing
Mix
it.
it.
Oh. I love the color.
Yours looks like
Okay. Now the next step. We are taking the warm water.
yeah.
3 tablespoonful is your water of water, and 1 pack
It's
of
hot.
yeast.
It's hot. Even steaming in here.
Yes.
Can I tell them a fact?
Yes.
It's when it's done, you can put your hands on top of it, and then it's gonna be warm.
Yes.
So warm.
It's true.
That's why you add hot water. Super hot.
Okay. Give me your water.
Your parents had to do this like the hot.
And now for 30,
Oh.
your spoon for 30 seconds. You need to mix it.
I'm not counting. That's all I know.
Mix it nicely. Mix
I
it.
do not like the smell of this. Last time either. Ooh, I'm spilling it everywhere. This experiment is messy already.
If you're doing it at home, don't forget to put something on your table because we will have a lot of foam. Yes?
Yeah. And,
Okay, I think we are done.
and this smells very, very bad. So kids, don't smell this in person. If you do
Okay.
it.
I will try. First is my red color. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Okay, Kristina, your turn.
I'm ready.
Oh my god, I have really a lot of foam.
Mine looks like blue pancakes what we made.
Mine is red.
And you could touch it.
Yeah, if you will put your hands like this, you will feel it's so warm.
And
It's
you
a
can
lot
feel
of
it.
heat.
And you can feel it. And you can feel it.
Yeah.
But
We
then-
have now gloves.
And then look at my fingers.
Yeah.
It's turned blue.
But
Can I touch it?
it's really warm. You can touch it
Mine's hot.
if your parents will say that you can touch it.
Mine's hot.
Ah, Kristina.
My hands are...
Give me 5. High five.
That purple! Look at
You can try it with home, but only with parents. Okay, thank you, boys and girls. Bye.
Bye.